know what? Streaming out in NYC without a server is fine.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I'm cool with it. Hey, Iron Soul. Ooh, I'm full, buddy. I'm full, buddy. Man, that was good. Can I throw this away? Just kidding. Psych. I'm taking this shit. Fuck, that's good. But your sandwich was better.
Yup.
So eat as much as you can, please.
I want chicken.
Go for it.
I feel like Carmen just still chicken.
Go for it. Iron Soul, it's treating us amazing. I love it. Get a bag of ice for your live view. Actually, it was my modem film. My modem overheated. Where I have to watch you in Firefox or your stream comes through. Really, hamster? Had it for over a year. Oh my god. You are an MVP for having to do all those steps to watch me. I can't have you not watch me. That sounds so creepy. Finish it like a fat girl. Now I'm full. Plus, Loot is coming, so he might want some. Only yours and maybe one or two others. I'm a mess, hamster. I'm sorry. Cheers to you.
Cheers to you. Cheers to you.
Okay. Let me tell you. I don't know what type of cherries these are. Black cherries? Black cherries, huh? Wow. Delicious. If you guys have not tried a black cherry, easily one of my favorites. What?
I'm tired. I'm exhausted.
We're going to Staten Island.
Really? No way. Flying?
Very.
Going to the island.
Going to Staten Island. It's an actual island.
You're such a dick, dude.
But,
Throwing trash on me? I mean, doing this.
hey.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Don't cover it.
Dude, walking that bridge was tiring.
Yeah, I mean,
But it was nice.
10,000 steps
10,000? That's a lot of
so
steps.
far.
R2 full and tired, he just needs more alcohol. I think he's gonna have to poop soon. Hey Nini, welcome to the East Coast. Thank you. Lovely cold weather. Dude, Nini. Yesterday it was freezing in New York. Like I was so cold. And today I was like, this ain't nothing.
I'm not covered for Staten Island. It's been a lot. Only one jacket.
You can take my scarf. It's warm and it's huge. I feel like I have too much anyways. Should be fine. Staten Island ferry costs $0 each way. Good views today. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Someone get Artsy a Red Bull. We need him for more content. When he poops, at least he'll weigh like 20 pounds less. Facts, dude. He takes a long time. Yeah, I know, Z. But I think one of, where's the ferry at?